Ko mātātua te waka, ko moao te maunga, ko tauranga moana te moana, ko naiterangi te iwi, ko te ngāre te hapu, ko Gillian Whitehead aho. I knew I wanted to compose. In fact, when I was 17, I wrote a letter to my parents saying, I want to be a composer and I'm going to write in the style of Dufay, who is a 15th century composer. My highlights, well, there's a few. One of them was the opera Tristan and Isolde that I wrote, which really sold me on dramatic work. And there was another opera, Bride of Fortune, which I did with the Perth Opera Company a few years ago. Pieces I've written with Fleur Adcock. One was called Hotspur, which is probably one of my best pieces, and another one on Catherine Mansfield called Out of This Nettle, Danger. But a good piece, not too short, not too long. It's the right size for the material it's got. It's one where the balance is good, where the proportions of the piece are right, and it's probably had a good performance as well. You can tell whether a piece is good when you hear it with an audience, because you sometimes hear people shuffling and coughing, and sometimes you hear an audience as a whole go very quiet, and that quiet stays for the rest of the piece. Then you know you've written a reasonably good piece. Be curious. Don't have set ideas. Explore there. Take opportunities when they come.